Yeah. One in the hand, one in the bag, bubbling. Look at the cash coming in.
Okay, so here's my 2020 desk setup. I recently moved into a new house and got to change some things around and add some things to this desk setup. And I'll be doing a full smart home tour soon. So let's start with the desk, which hasn't changed much since the last desk setup tour I did. It's the Alex drawers with the Carly countertop. And I feel like this has lasted really well. I feel like, especially with the wood, it's kind of gotten more smooth and a little bit better over time. So the main part of this desk is the 38-inch ultra-wide monitor from Dell. And I really love ultra-wide monitors. I don't think I'd be able to go back to old style monitors, especially after using this for a while. It's just more clean, it's better. Having more screen real estate without having that bezel in the middle for dual monitor setups. The resolution of this monitor is 3840 by 1600, which is a little bit less than I like, especially switching from the 5K iMac, but even still, I prefer this wider setup with more screen real estate than the 5K iMac. Another great part of this monitor is that it's USB-C compatible, so just one cable powers the whole setup. It charges my MacBook Pro, even the 15-inch one, which was one of the issues I had with some of the other monitors I was looking at that were USB-C, that didn't have the right wattage output to charge the 15-inch MacBook. Behind the monitor and behind the desk are Philips Hue. There's a Philips Hue light strip and two Philips Hue, I believe they're called the play bars, and they're all controlled by a motion sensor that's under my laptop. So when I walk in, everything turns on, and then after a while, if it doesn't sense any motion, it all turns off automatically. On the top is a 55-inch Samsung curved display that I don't really use at all. It's just kind of one of the older TVs that we had, and then we decided to mount it up there. So for cable management, I ordered a bunch of these off Amazon. They're basically just like little sticky pads with kind of like a loop for the cables, and they're all under the desk. And then I have some of these basically cable managers that stick, that hold cables in place for other spots where I need to use the cable once in a while. So I feel like that has been really good. It's not the most elegant solution because you have a bunch of stuff stuck to your desk, but it is very affordable. I think the pack of 50 of the cable ties was like $10 or something like that, and I still have a bunch left over. So powering the setup is a 2017 MacBook Pro 15-inch with Touch Bar. I've enjoyed it. I haven't had that many issues with it. I did have a little bit of issues with one of my keys, but overall it's been good. I am the kind of person who keeps my laptop pretty much in the same place every day and doesn't take it out that much, but so I don't really experience like a bunch of debris going in there. But I do realize that even with my minimal use, I did have an issue, so I can't imagine what other people's issues were like. For my peripherals, I have the Logitech Craft keyboard, a space gray trackpad, and then Logitech MX Master 3. I feel like this is the perfect peripheral setup for me. The trackpad is just good to scroll, and then to actually use a mouse is nice once in a while when I'm doing specific things. And then beside that, I have a Google Home Mini, which is my assistant of choice over, I guess, Alexa, which is the only real competition. I found Google Home really useful, and I especially like how affordable the Google Home like platform is. Getting like the displays, getting the speakers, it's fairly affordable compared to, let's say, like especially Siri, which is the HomePod, which is really expensive just for one speaker. So the headphones I use are the Bose NC700s, which are really amazing, especially the noise canceling. And the noise canceling on these makes me want to upgrade my normal AirPods to the AirPods Pro, just because I want to see if the noise canceling makes that much of a difference for the AirPods as well. So the only gripe I do have with these is the app is terrible, which I spoke about in my other video. But overall, they sound great and they're pretty comfortable. So that's pretty much my setup. The only thing I really want to change is this chair. This chair is from IKEA, and I'm hoping to upgrade it this year to a Herman Miller embody chair. It is really pricey, so I'm kind of saving up for it, but that's like the only thing I really want to change. And that's pretty much my desk setup. If you have any questions about anything that's on here that I missed, leave a comment below, and Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for watching.